Hey guys, LechK here. In the middle of replacing headers in my car, and my mid pipe is stuck at the connection point in the middle, so I want to show you guys a quick trick how you can disconnect it if it's stuck and doesn't want to move. Let's get under the car and I'll show you guys what to do. It's just stuck here. I can't pop it out. I already disconnected the pipes from my headers, and now I gotta pop this off. So I wanted to show you guys a quick trick you can do to get it loose. You're gonna need some torch, hammer, and that should do it. Alright, so we got dual pipes here. I disconnected them. There's a connector here in the middle which I disconnected, so they're not connected together, because when they're connected together it's even harder to pop these out. But basically, the pipe here that's going to the header is loose now, but I can't pop it off here. So the clamp is off. I have this nice and tight so it doesn't swing back and forth. And all I'm gonna do is heat this up, which I already did with the torch a little bit. Heat should help loosen it up. And now I'm reusing my clamp. So the clamp that was holding this here, I reclamped it here, and now I can use it to tap it and get this pipe loose. Just went all the way back in, but you guys get the idea. Now it's loose. I should be able to pop it out. Gotta get a little lift in the front, and then boom, the pipe is out. We'll do the second one, and all good. So that's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see how to replace headers on a 2007 Dodge Charger V6, check out the link on my channel. I have the video posted as well. Thank you.